All right, fifth graders, let's dive into something exciting that's been shaping Earth for millions of years: weathering and erosion. You may not realize it, but the rocks under your feet are always changing, little by little, day by day. Let's figure out how. First up, physical weathering. Imagine a giant cookie. If you break that cookie into smaller and smaller pieces, it's still a cookie. It hasn't changed what it's made of, just its size. That's what weathering does to rocks. The rock doesn't become a new material, it just cracks, crumbles, or splits apart. How does this happen? Well, there are some sneaky agents that cause weathering. Wind can blast tiny sand grains against a rock, scratching it down like sandpaper. Next, water can slip into cracks, and when it freezes, it expands and pushes the rock apart like nature's ice jackhammer. Next, plants can even cause weathering. Roots grow into cracks, and as the roots get thicker, they pry the rock apart like a crowbar. And don't forget temperature changes. When it's hot, rocks expand, and when it's cold, they contract. Over time, that constant push and pull makes the rock break down. Now let's talk about erosion. If weathering is the breaking, erosion is the moving. Think of erosion as nature's delivery service. Once the rocks are broken into smaller pieces, erosion swoops in and carries them away. Gravity can pull rocks downhill, wind can blow sand across deserts, rivers can carry pebbles downstream, and glaciers, giant rivers of ice, can drag huge chunks of rock for miles. So here's the big difference. Weathering is the breaking. Erosion is the moving. Imagine smashing a Lego tower into little pieces. That's weathering. Now imagine sliding those Lego pieces across the floor to a new spot. That's erosion. They work together all the time, shaping valleys, canyons, beaches, and even mountains. Here's a challenge for you. Next time you see a sidewalk crack with a little plant growing out of it, ask yourself, is this weathering or erosion? And if you notice sand at the beach being pulled back into the ocean by the waves, which process is happening there? Earth is always busy, and thanks to weathering and erosion, our planet is never the same for long.